Today we will introduce why we choose hidden camera for loss prevention. Firstly, let us compare the regular CCTV camera and hidden camera, see which one is powerful. The regular CCTV camera demo shows someone is aware of a camera and keeps her face covered. Hidden camera demo shows someone is coming with less cautious because she thinks no one's watching. So the camera can capture her facial detail. It is obviously that hidden camera is powerful. Covert camera ensures that those being watched are not aware of the surveillance and can be caught in the act. A camera with poor resolution can leave owner with video footage that provides no facial recognition and wouldn't be valuable in the court. It's worthwhile to invest in quality cameras with higher resolution. Now let's take a closer look at the benefits of using 4MP covert cameras in a retail setting. When the customer check out with 2 products, the cashier only scanned a product. Then she put the money on the side instead of the cash box. We can see that she put the money back to the wallet when the customer left. It's clear that hidden camera can go a long way in getting the crime evidence and toward preventing both shoplifting and employee theft. Smoke detector security camera is an excellent choice for indoor covert surveillance. Hidden cameras can often be placed in different locations for the best vantage point and viewing angle, making sure you don't miss anything important. We use a piece of cardboard to simulate the ceiling mount. This camera can easily be mounted to drywall or ceiling. Okay, let's take off the housing. You can adjust the camera shooting direction to find the best viewing angle. Here's the TF card slot. This camera can work standalone and record the footage to the TF memory card. Okay, let's fix it. This is the PoE connector. This camera supports PoE, so we don't need extra cable to power the camera. This is optional DC 12-volt connector. We also can power this camera with external DC power supply. We can find a QR code in the back of the camera. Connect the camera fast and easily with using smartphone to scan the QR code. How and where we can buy this camera? Just search Gabong Hidden Camera at Amazon.com. Thanks for your watching.